Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew, Jamaica. A woman tears a senior bra and was fined an exuberant amount by the court. Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican news anchor here on YouTube. Hit that red subscribe button if it's the first time tuning in. Remember, join, become a member, build up the Rastaman panel. This news coming straight out of Jamaica. A 20-year-old woman will have to pay compensation of $45,000 as part of her sentence for destroying an elderly woman's brassiere during a fight in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew community. The complainant said that she felt betrayed by Harris, who said that she treated her like a dog after there was an altercation with one of her daughter. She paid for an extra lesson, including the destruction of her property. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going through this because it seems like the liquor picnic don't have no respect for the elder. As the complainant said that she felt betrayed by Harris, who she treated like a daughter. She said that she paid for her extra lesson, introduced her to her distant family, and even provided lunch and dinner at times. You know what is wrong with the young people of the country? Integrity. Them no have no gratitude. How ungrateful so. Not because you and somebody not all right today. Not forget say in the past them did do something good for you. I understand the complainant emotionally now. Senior Parish Judge Lori-Anne Cole-Montaque stressed when the matter was brought before her in Kingston, St. Andrew Parish on Monday. Her daughter was involved with a young man and went on Facebook and found the man's mistress, and that's where it all started from. The defendant, Gabriella Harris, shared. She added that there was an altercation with the complainant's daughter, and since then there has been bad blood between them. You have to put your hand on your head at times when these things come your direction. They affect you. Judge Cole-Montaque expressed it was detailed in the court that Harris and the complainant were involved in a verbal altercation when it became physical. Harris, according to the report, had the complainant tore her brassiere off and damage her blouse. During the melee, Harris pled guilty to the assault occasioning actual bodily harm and malicious destruction of property. I think you should compensate her for the damage. You are wrong for assaulting her in that way, and the judge determined that Harris is to make a compensation payment of $45,000 when she returned to court on November 6th. It is expected that she will be sentenced on that day. Ladies and gentlemen, make me know what you think about this case. Good for her. You can go see the granny with her titty where hem down to her knee and go rip off the woman's blouse and rip off the woman's brassiere and expose her bosom out the road and think it a go so? You think it a go so when me hold you tonight? Judge Montague fling up one $45,000 fine and down a rhyme. See it? One of your respect senior citizen. Ladies and gentlemen, an embarrassing situation occurred to this elderly woman out in a public. One little girl, 20-year-old. The woman treat her like a daughter. And it appears that it seemed like this girl here had a spat, a little quarrel with this lady's daughter, with Miss Harris' daughter, and it appears that this girl here turned round for Miss Harris. A weak fence, you wait till Miss Harris' daughter them hold you, our son. You take people for the punk, I bet you go gallop and run. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Let me know what I want. What you think about this case? A woman tears off a senior bra, exposing her. The judge fling up 45,000 under armor. She will return to court by November 6th. I hope say she get locked up and get 6. And more life, and more joy, more happiness. Stay blessed. Fire kid! To the world, tell every little boys and girl, you are gonna take. Make up my family, them all over St. Elizabeth. Jamaica's food basket.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier and fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time.